Hi, I'm Gabriel with Mailbox, and today we'll be installing a lock on a Mailbox mailbox. This process is the same for all wall mount and curbside mailboxes that we make, and it is quite simple to do. You'll just need a few hand tools, including an adjustable crescent wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver. Your lock components include your key, lock core, lock case, lock retaining nut, a cam for your box, depending on which model mailbox you have, and your machine screw to retain the assembly, and a few washers. First, you will want to take the key and place it into the core, as it makes this entire process a whole lot easier. Then, take the lock case and push it through the front of the lower locked door. Tighten the lock retaining nut in place. Tighten this nut with a crescent wrench. Then, take the machine screw and place first the lock washer and then the small washer in place, and put this entire assembly to the side and save it to the end. Then take the key with core attached, push it through the face of the lock, and make sure that it can rotate freely from the 12 o'clock position to the 3 o'clock position, but no further. Then take the cam or washer interchangeably depending on the position, and make sure that it can rotate freely through. If it fits, then great. If not, switch it with the washer position. Then take that large washer, put it on there, and then take that machine screw assembly that we assembled earlier and tighten it in. Tighten this machine screw with a Phillips head screwdriver. Like so. And make sure that the lock can close. Congratulations, you have installed a Mailbox lock.